Today, we're breaking the rules of magic and exposing one of the most high-tech wallets that you can get at penguinmagic.com. This is Materializer Wallet by William O'Connell. My name is Eric Tate. I'm one of the teachers and performers here at Penguin Magic, and I want to unbox Materializer Wallet and show you all of the cool stuff that it can do. Now, I've already got mine set up. When you buy it, there's a tutorial that teaches you how to do all of the really interesting setup work, but this is what you are getting. This is a really, really interesting piece of tech because what you are looking at is not a screen, it's not a hologram, it's not a recording. This is a piece of glass. If you've ever been inside of a super high-end office where they flip a switch and the glass goes completely blank, that's what this technology is, but it's been miniaturized and put inside of a wallet. So I have two buttons on the back that allow me to both make the whatever's inside of the wallet appear and disappear. Now the coin is one thing, but I want to show you something else. You can actually do it with a playing card. Now if I take this playing card and put it in here, it looks really nice and bright. But the moment I touch one of the secret buttons on the back, it goes completely black. And then if I press it again, it will come back. Now this wallet has a really interesting feature. You see, once you've made it go black, the glass has been electrified and goes opaque, but it starts a 10-second countdown timer. And the moment that that reaches 0, you see the card or whatever is inside the wallet fade in. It's a beautiful materialization, which is where the wallet gets its name. Now the interesting thing is, if I black it out and I want to restart that timer, I can actually press that button again and it restarts the timer. Or if I hold the secret button, the glass will stay black until I let go of the secret button, and then the countdown timer starts. And again, once it reaches 0, that's when we get this beautiful materialization, which you are going to see again right about now. Now this has got magicians all over the world excited, but it's also got mentalists excited because you can take something like a billet, and let's say I write somebody's name on here, write down Whitney. I can take this and I can put it in here, and then I can secretly black this out so my audience can see that it's completely blank, but just by tapping one of the secret buttons, I can instantly make that appear to myself so I can secretly see what's inside the wallet and then black it out again to show that there's no way I can see inside. Now, one of the really interesting things is it comes with a bonus clear credit card. Now that credit card goes right here in the front glass, and when I black it out, that looks like a credit card. It's got the standard chip, it's got the a faux symbol like some sort of credit card company, but it looks to all the world like a black credit card with a kind of interesting design on it. But because it's clear, I can use it as a peek device and see directly through it whenever I make that screen go clear again. Now, the interesting thing that I think is the most fascinating about this is when you look inside the box, there's no charging cable. And that's because this is a very low voltage technology. You see, when you can see through the glass, the wallet is in its natural off state. It wants to be off. It's not drawing current there. It only is drawing current when I have blacked it out. Now it's actually drawing current. And there's no charging cable in here because you don't need to charge it. You actually run the entire thing on a watch battery that's in the back. This lasts for thousands of performances. Now, at the time of this taping, this is March of 2026. This is the same battery and the same wallet that I filmed the demo for this particular product way back in October of 2025. Thousands of performances and still going strong. So this back here, the PCB or printed circuit board that runs the wallet, is cleverly disguised as an additional credit card in the back. And in the tutorial, William O'Connell teaches you exactly how to disguise this as another credit card from a more popular bank. That's really all you need to know about the Materializer Wallet. It's a fantastic bit of tech. There's some really interesting routines that are taught in the tutorial by William, and we're going to be adding another tutorial soon where I teach some additional ideas from myself and Craig Petty. I've been playing with this in my actual gigs, and I'm having so much fun with it, and I know you are too. Do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button and ring that bell so you'll be notified when we put up more videos like this, giving you the inside scoop on what's really going on with the products right here at Penguin Magic.